Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy we're going to throw together a very quick and easy creamy lemon pie. I started to say peanut butter pie. I'd rather be making a peanut butter pie. We'll do that on the next video. That sounds really good. But today we're going to be making a lemon pie. Short and sweet. Just like your girl. It's really not gonna take no time at all to throw this together. It just requires a few ingredients. You're gonna need 2 cans of the sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get the sweetened condensed. You don't want to use the evaporated. They are 2 totally different things. You're also gonna need 4 egg whites, just the whites. You can discard the yolk. And what else are we using? Oh, lemon juice. Gotta have lemon juice for a lemon pie, right? But we're gonna use 3/4 cup of lemon juice. Now, if you have real lemons on hand and you prefer to use those, knock yourself out, kids, because I got lemon juice, so that's what I'm using today. I'm being lazy today, but I wanted this, and it's so quick and it's so easy, and I just really thought that I would share it with you because I gotta share it with my friends, right? I'm trying to figure out if I put 3 eggs in here or 4 eggs in here. I was thinking I only done 3, that way I could show you how to, you know, get just the egg white for just the egg whites. That's pretty bad. I'm getting old because I forget what I do half the time. Pretty sure I only used 3. That's why I was counting the egg yolks, the eggshells in the sink. So I think I used 3, but if not, what's 5? What's 1 extra egg yolk, right? So let's go ahead and get started on this. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And I got the already made pie crust. I'm cheating. It's still homemade, right? And my oven's ready. I believe this is 3 eggs. Like I said, I thought that I would just crack the last one just to show you. And I'm not even really sure if I put 3 or 4 in there, but what's 1 extra, right? So what you're gonna do is, if you know, are beginning cooking and you're not really sure how to separate the eggs from the yolk, you just give it 1 nice hit there. You know, we got a lot of young people that are just learning to cook, so I just want to show them, you know, the proper way. Did you see that? Just leave it right in there. The egg white just automatically started coming out. But you just take it back and forth just until you have all of the egg white in there, which really takes a second. And if you know, crack your egg all jacked up, then you can just pour that into your hand and just let it, gotta make sure you have clean hands. And just until, and you just keep going back and forth in your hands until all of the egg white is out of there. All right, back with clean hands. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add about 3/4 cup of lemon juice in there. And I would recommend using the real lemon juice, not the, I'm pretty sure you could probably get imitation lemon juice, so I wouldn't suggest doing that. And then we're gonna use 2 of these little heavenly containers of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure that you get the sweetened condensed milk, not the evaporated milk. They are 2 different things, and it just will not turn out if you, you know, if you use the evaporated milk. I'll tell you what, I don't know if you guys have ever tasted this just like this, but if you have, you know what I'm saying. And if you haven't, don't do it because it's addicting. You just gotta make sure you get every bit of that goodness out of there. Unless you want to save some for later like me. See, I can't open it with 1 hand. Oh my goodness, this stuff is like heaven. Seriously, it is so good. So you're gonna pour both of those in there. And you know what? This might be too much for my 1 little pie crust. If so, then I'll just, I'll make some crustless little, I've got some, little dessert dishes in there. I'll just pour some in there. How's that? All right, we're just gonna empty that out. Then all you're gonna do is take you a nice little whisk There's really no need to pull out, the hand mixer, and just whisk this together until it's well combined. All right, that is perfect. Look how nice and creamy that is. And if you wanted to go a few extra steps, you could grate some fresh lemon right into that just to make it, just a little bit more lemony. Very simple. Oh, I think that's just going to be perfect. Look at that. That is just enough. And of course, if you want to make more than one pie, just double the recipe. I thought when I made this before that this made 2, but maybe I'm thinking of something else. Yummies. Now all you're going to do is pop this in a 350 degree preheated oven for, I don't know, about 18 to 20 minutes, 20, 21 minutes, somewhere around there, just until it starts to set. It still will be nice and jiggly when it's done, so don't think that it's not done. Pop it in there for 20 minutes and just keep it at that. We'll just say 20 minutes. But once you pop it out of the oven, you want to cool it on a wire rack for about an hour before you pop it into the refrigerator. You definitely want to put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours to let it have time to cool and all the the flavors to combine really well, and let it set up like that because it's much better chilled. This is perfect pie weather when it's as hot as it's been. So I'm done rambling. In the oven it goes, and I'll meet you back here in just a little bit. All right, guys, my pie was in the oven for 21 minutes exactly. It looks phenomenal. I am not a decorator. I cannot decorate pies or cakes or anything like that. I know how to bake them. I just don't know how to decorate them. I've never been good at that. It has been out here cooling for about an hour. I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the refrigerator. I just threw some little pieces of lemon on it just for, just to make it look good. So everybody knows that it's a lemon pie. It's really so simple and so easy, and like I said, just requires a few ingredients. You cannot beat it, especially on a very warm summer's day when it's nice and chilled. It's amazing. We're gonna have this for dessert. I am making some tacos tonight. We're gonna have a whole mess of nachos is what we're having. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you're finding some good things here on my channel. You know I appreciate you. I love you so very much. And I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy.